How to see history on Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can see history on Google Chrome. Now, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. Now let's dive right into it. So to see your Google Chrome's history, it's pretty simple. First, you will need to locate your Google Chrome and then open it up. After you do that, there are multiple ways you can find your history. The easiest would be tapping on the three dots on the top right and then tapping on history from right there. After you do that, you'll find the history on your of your Google Chrome. You can also delete it by tapping on delete browsing data, and you can also search by tapping on the search bar. Now what you can also do instead of that is go to your search bar here, type in Chrome, give colon, give 2 slashes, and type in history. After you do that, you'll then come right back to this page, and it's that simple. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.